What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo and today we are going to create our push traffic campaign with AdSterra. So let's dive in. Alright, so I am at the homepage of AdSterra and we are going to create a push campaign today. And if you haven't done so yet, you can still sign up for the Deberoo beta, the Deberoo Suite beta. And the Deberoo Suite is a brand new platform with all the affiliate marketing software and tools that you could ever need for your affiliate marketing journey. And right now you can join the beta test for free, getting access to the Deberoo Suite. So I'll drop in the link below in the description, so check it out and sign up. So we are going to create a push campaign today, and if you don't have an account with AdSterra yet, it's very easy. You just press registration right here and you want to register as an advertiser, as affiliate marketer. And when you click on that, you should get redirected. There we go. And you'll see this page where you have to put in all your information and then their support will contact you to approve the account ASAP. Alright, but I already have an account, so I'm going to go back to the home page and click on sign in as advertiser. And let me put in my details right here. That should be it. Awesome. Alright, cool. And we're in. Okay, so we are going to create a campaign. Let's go. Awesome. So we want to give the campaign a name. So what are we going to do today? Let's say USA. Should we do a dating example today? Sure, let's go with dating offer, whatever. And then the connection type, I don't care. I want all traffic. I don't care if you're on 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi. Just fucking watch my ad, right? Pricing type, CPM, that's fine with me. We are going to do web push. There we go. Clickable message that is sent to users. Subscribe to browser push notification. That's what we want. Traffic type, we want, yeah, all the traffic. That's fine. Mainstream and adult. I don't care for this dating offer. And then the landing page URL. All right. And we are going to run this on mobile. Cool. And this is a pretty cool option from AdSterra. So right here, you can upload images, you can upload screenshots of your landing page. And by doing so, you can speed up the process of validation. So every campaign that you create has to be validated by an affiliate manager to see if you apply all the rules that they have in place. And when you take screenshots and you upload them, you are more likely to get approved faster than when they will have to check your landing page by themselves. So pretty cool option. Alright, we are going to manually select the countries that we're going to run in because we are going to run in the US, in the United States. The minimum CPM rate is 3 cents. The recommended CPM rate is 16 cents. So I'm just going to get 1 cent above the recommended CPM rate. Expected volume for this country is being calculated, so we'll get back to that in a second. Oh, there we go. 293 impressions a day. Not a whole lot, right? But that's fine. I don't care. That's cool for now. Cool. All right. So we need a image as a kind of logo. Is this the 192 by 192? That's usually just a logo, small squared size image. And then we have the featured image right here, which is going to be 360 by 240. We've got 30 symbols for our title and we got 40 symbols for our description. All right, cool. Let's get Canva involved. But first, let's come up with a title. So, women from city looking for men. Whoops, not gonna fit. Women from city want to date. Sure. These women are waiting for men for you to take them out. Nope, not gonna fit. Women are waiting for you to date them. Whatever. All right. Women from city want to date. Sure. Women from city want love. I like that better. All right, cool. So we need a logo. 192 by 192. And we need an image of 360 by 240. 360 by 240. All right, cool. Logo first. I'm just going to Google for love. Maybe not exactly what I was looking for, but kind of. So, what about date? Right. Love. Yeah, so something like this, right? Maybe if I Google love illustration. There we go. What do we have here? I like this. I like this too. That could be a dope logo. It's not really squared size, but we could probably crop that the right way. Dope. Dope. Yep, let's use this. Save image. Got it. Oh, it's a web page. Nope, we are going to use something else in that case. This might do the trick, but not really. Not really convinced on that. Dating side logo, just to get some inspiration. That's dope. Too bad of the watermarks. Right. Right. Something like that, right? Simple, plain, hearts, it speaks. What about heart design? I like this. Once again, for my logo, I usually like to keep them clean, not too busy. They're small images, so I want something that speaks, that represents what I'm offering, but is basically very simple and clean so that, you know, it speaks. You don't want, it's going to be such a small part of the ad, so you don't want it to be overwhelmingly there, right? Cool. Awesome. That looks cool. That looks cool. What is this? I have a message. I'll check it later. Alright, and then we need the bigger image. So, woman looking for date. I don't know. Let's see. Woman on phone. Maybe that gives a suggestion that she's actually using the app to find a date. Yeah, that works. Save image. It's not too much of a stock photo. It looks like it is a stock photo, but it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe I like this one. It looks like it's sincere, but also it's the framing is so professionally done that it looks like a fucking stock photo. But we're gonna use it anyway. All right, download that, and then we're going back into AdSterra, and we are going to import our image. Yeah, you can do that. Like that, all the way. Come on. There we go. Awesome. So now we will be able to get a preview. Whoops, that's not the preview that I wanted. Oh, we should add this. Okay. I guess we'll get a preview later. Alright, user lifetime. Activity groups. Optimal audience with average price and medium volume. Let's go with medium. Sure, that's fine. Now the total budget I am going to put on unlimited. I don't have a total budget for this campaign. And after verification, let's start this campaign. Alright, the targeting type. Nope, I don't want to target on these types, so no targeting edit, that's fine. I want 2 impressions over 1 day. That's the cap at least. Limits of impressions, I'm going to leave that open. Budget, I want a daily budget of $100 US. And the advanced settings, add placements to blacklist, no need to do that. IP range targeting, no need to do that. Custom bid placement, country codes, price. That's fine. All right, cool. So that's basically it. All right. Yeah, that looks all good. So there we go. We are ready to launch our campaign. This is going to be our creative, and it's easy as that. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to check out the Deberoo Suite beta, as you can join completely for free. I'm going to leave it right here. So I will see you next time. Until then, peace out.